AhmiyAdore shall see what I'm doing today.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire.
Hey everyone, welcome to AhmiyAdore show. And today I'm gonna be playing Don't Step in It.
And today I'm gonna be going against Amai, and she's gonna step in all the poops today.
Excuse me, no you're not. I'm not. You are gonna step in.
You go step in.
And Adorable.
I heard that.
Well, let's get to opening.
We're making the poop right now, y'all.
EJ, when you're done with that, can I have it?
Well, I don't know how to take this out.
You just...
Here, I know.
Huh?
So, a balled up poop.
Oh, it flows pretty, Adorable.
All right, let's get ready to play.
This one is gonna be a tricky one. Who's gonna step in it first?
Oh, I think I know who's gonna step in it.
You.
You.
Amai.
Okay, guys, so
How many,
Amai has the blindfold on.
how many fingers am I holding up?
8.
Not close.
Okay, so he's gonna position her,
So,
and then,
you're gonna have
Let's
to
see.
walk now.
not yet, I gotta spin it. Let's see.
How many walks?
You have to spread out the poops, Mom.
I spread it out the poops,
Okay.
and
You got 4.
we gotta do 4 steps and add 1 more poop. So EJ, add a poops. Or should we add a slime? So guys, we're doing poops and slimes. Okay. So Amai, you gotta do 4
Steps.
steps.
One. 2. Oh.
Her foot stuck on the slime.
Another one.
3.
3.
Okay, go.
4.
Yeah.
No, don't take it off. You still gotta get another turn. All right, let me spin it
Wait, Amai gets 2?
until she get off the mat.
3.
3 steps. All right, help her move that poop off her foot.
It's on my pink.
Just move it out the way. Move it completely off the board. Go, Amai.
1.
Oh.
Ew.
Yeah, I'll move it.
Okay, let her go. Go, Amai.
2.
1 more.
3.
All right, 1 more spin. Let's see.
It has to be more than 1.
Then you have to go the other way.
5 steps. EJ, move out the way. 1, 2, 3.
That
Poops.
here. Now you're going the wrong way. Go that way.
4. How many fingers up I'm holding?
6.
Okay. Now let's go step.
Look how Amai spread it out the poops, guys. Wait.
EJ!
Step.
You're not
I gotta spin. You gotta wait.
My bad.
4 steps and add 1 more poop. Add a poop.
Okay, EJ.
4 steps. Go. 1. You gotta put your. No, you cheated.
Cheating.
1. Go. 2, 3. Oh, He stepped in a poop. Put your foot. 4. Okay. 3 steps. Okay, turn around. All right, stop. Let's spin it again.
I stepped in 2 poops, right? Yeah, 2 poops. I'll say that.
Up 4 steps and add a poops.
No! I bet you. I think Amaya is slick, so she gonna put one right there.
Okay, let's get ready to go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wait, how many steps?
4. 1,
Oh, you did. I was surprised.
2, 3,
I almost fell.
4.
That's it? That's it?
EJ cheating.
How?
He can see.
No, I cannot.
Yes, you can.
No, I cannot.
If you're gonna be cheating, don't play.
I can't see.
All right. Now we're gonna do it backwards.
Oh, that's tricky.
It's so.
That is tricky.
Okay, so we're clearing off the poops right now. So we're getting ready to make Amaya go backwards.
Yep. They're gonna lose.
No, you're gonna lose. I'm gonna make you fall on the pink one. Then your hair.
You guys,
really
this feels like a brownie. Really. I feel like eating it.
Ew.
No, it feels like a brownie. Feel it.
It feels like a poop.
Oh, it does feel like a brownie, EJ.
Amaya finna lose, y'all. She finna take an L.
Amaya, are you
No.
gonna lose
First time I
something?
took an
No.
L.
And look at this really tiny one.
All right, put the blindfold on Amaya.
I'm not gonna lose. EJ's gonna lose.
All right. Amaya's standing there. She's ready to go backwards.
5.
EJ spin. So she got to take 5 steps back.
Go.
Close. Make sure your eyes are closed. 1. Nope. You gotta look up. You gotta have your head up. Go.
Wow.
1, 2. Oh,
Ah. Poop stepper. 3.
3,
Stepped in that another poop.
4, 5. Oh.
You stepped in 3.
Keep it on. You gotta take more steps back.
I don't want to do that again. Oh, no.
Like so.
EJ, how a cheater.
Amai, why'd you take your... So you don't want to play no more?
I do.
Okay, why'd you take your blindfold off?
Because it was hurting when I was like, ah.
Okay, come on.
Like the touch.
Not fun.
4 steps and add 1 more poop.
Perfect.
I know it's the brown one.
All right, go 4 steps back. 1, 2, 3.
She's taking baby steps.
You supposed to take baby steps.
Like those?
Yes, go. Uh-oh. Oh. All right. 3 steps back, Amai. 1,
Oh, you stepped in it?
Mom, I can see.
2,
Stepped in the poop.
3.
That's
All right, spin it one more time.
9.
No. 6 steps plus 1 poop. So add a poop. Well, you already... Amaya got a lot of poops out there already. Okay. 6 steps back, EJ. 1. Oop. Turn on.
That fast.
1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. 5, 6.
You just stepped in the slime. Peace out, YouTube. If you guys want to see more videos like this, give the huge thumbs up and subscribe.
If you guys know why I'm wearing this, type it in the comments. I'm going to give you guys a hint.
What? Are you talking about like a character?
It's anime.
Okay.
And And make sure to give us a like and subscribe.
And comment.
Comment down below.
So peace out.
Peace out.